This week's top stories. In conversation with Yash Kapila, CEO at Integral. Head of JLL's IFM business, Integral, Kapila talks to us about the outlook for facilities management in 2021. With a background in engineering and experience spanning a diverse range of roles, he's well placed to discuss aspects of technology as well as challenges and prospects. New tier rules in England. Hospitality sector reactions. As England's new tier rules take effect, what does this mean for the hospitality sector? If restrictions last all December, the industry is set to make an estimated £7.8 billion less than in 2019. SFG20 launches packaged maintenance solution for care homes. SFG20, the software tool for FM and building maintenance teams, has introduced a package for the care home sector. The Residential Care Home Functional Set is an online resource of tasks and schedules for operation and maintenance written by BESA's dedicated team.
For all the latest facilities and workplace management news, read more at TWinFM.com.